Next topic is about Mudras. Mudras for knee pain. Let's know what is knee pain. The knee joints connects our thighs and calf muscles, right? So their flexibility allows us to walk, sit, and perform physical activities, right, masters? So due to various reasons, we'll have the knee problem like injuries, arthritis, or excessive body weight. We may have experienced short-term or chronic knee problems. So we'll see mudras as per the problems. So if you have upper body weight is too high, making it difficult to walk, sit down or stand up properly, you should practice Surya Mudra regularly. So Surya Mudra is our ring finger. You should bend this ring finger and press with the thumb finger. This is Surya Mudra. So you have to do it for 5 minutes every day. Okay, this is Surya Mudra for upper body weight. This basically Surya Mudra will increase your sun energy, Surya energy, and it reduces your body weight. After that, Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra, which helps strengthens the knees. Vayu Mudra practice 30 minutes daily. So Vayu Mudra is this index finger. This is air element, right? So you are reducing that. This is Vayu Mudra. So you have to practice Surya Mudra and Vayu Mudra to strengthen your knees. Okay, this Vayu Mudra you have to practice for 30 minutes daily. Okay, you can divide that into 15 minutes or 10 minutes, taking a break of 5 minutes or morning 10 minutes, afternoon 10 minutes, evening. Before 8 you have to practice. Okay. Or sometimes you feel sudden numbness and flexibility issues. Okay, that time what you have to do, if you experience numbness when standing up after sitting for a long time, you have to hold this Varuna Mudra for 1 or 2 minutes. If you are cross-legged sitting in temple or any prayer, if you are doing meditation, suddenly if you feel any sudden numbness, that time Varuna Mudra is the little finger. You have to hold this little finger. This is Varuna Mudra for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, this will help restore flexibility in your knee joints. Okay, if you have weaker bones, not just in knees but anywhere in the body, due to low calcium, you will practice Akasha Mudra. Akasha Mudra is this middle finger. This is Akasha Tattva finger, right? So this is Akasha Mudra. So in order to strengthen your bones, also it is advisable to do meditation in the daytime. When you are doing in the daytime meditation, if you do Akasha Mudra and do, your bones also will get strengthened and your meditation also will get connected to oversight. Okay, masters. So I'll summarize it. Please note down. For regular knee pain, practice Vayu Mudra. For bone strengthening, practice Akasha Mudra. For sudden numbness or stiffness, use Varuna Mudra for few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, masters. Okay, these are the mudras, and oil massage also you can do. You can use ortho oil, which is available in Ayurvedic shops, or coconut oil or castor oil. So one more thing you can use that oil. You have to keep it on your knees and you have to massage in the same direction. If you are massaging left knee in clock direction, right knee also same direction. If you are doing anti-clockwise, same thing you have to do it. You should not do it like this. One in clockwise, one in another anti-clockwise. So if you are doing it clockwise, massage both the knees clockwise. If you are doing either of the one, you do it. Okay, not both the things. If you are doing anti-clockwise, do anti-clockwise. Okay, masters. After that, let's go to the diet. So, reducing knee pain through diet focuses on lower inflammation, supporting joint health, okay, and reducing of weight. So, basically, why you will get knee pain and all? If you have inflammation in that area, you will get it, right? So, for that, through using some vegetables in your diet, you can reduce your inflammation in your body as well. So for chronic inflammation or joint pains, you can use turmeric with black pepper. So which contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory. So you can use it with the milk or with the hot water or something like that. You can drink them. Turmeric with black pepper. Always try to use turmeric which is not mixed with chemicals or something like that. If you get authentic pure turmeric, use that. Okay. And you can use ginger as well. Ginger also reduces muscle and joint pain. Blueberries, strawberries. These are all antioxidants. So you can use blueberries and strawberries. And leafy greens like spinach, kale, broccoli. These are all vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K minerals. So you have to, for inflammatory type of joint pains, you have to use turmeric with black pepper, ginger, berries, leafy greens like spinach, kale, broccoli. These are all the things you have to use it. Okay. And for collagen or joint support, if you want to increase your collagen for joint support, what are the nutrients you have to use? You have to use the citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Okay, like oranges, kiwi, all those types of citrus fruits you can use. Lemon, and you can use nuts and seeds as well, like almonds, chia, flax seeds for vitamin A and omega 3. So you should be using more, which gives us more omega 3 fatty acid type of nuts and vitamin E nuts. Those are all you will be getting by almond, chia, and flax seeds. Okay. And one more thing is third one, we have to concentrate on vitamin D and calcium for bone health. Okay. How do you get calcium? By dairy products like tofu, yogurt, cheese. So always try to use desi milk. Desi. Uh, so nowadays all these ready-made things are not authentic, right? Not organic, right? So always try to get organic. Okay, and leafy vegetables for calcium, and mushrooms for vitamin D. And you have to get exposure to sunlight as well to get vitamin D and calcium. Okay, and we have to, what are the foods you have to avoid for inflammation and to reduce the joint pains? You have to reduce the refined carbs like white bread, sugar, maida, all those things. And you should avoid processed food, chips, snacks, all fried items. Okay. And you should always avoid excess meat and processed meats. Always we suggest all the masters to use only vegetarian meals, that too organic meals. Okay. And whoever are addicted to alcohol or soda, they should be stopping those alcohol and soda as well. Okay. And hydration also. This hydration, you have to keep your body hydrated as well. Otherwise, your cartilage will it won't be get lubricated, and you will feel that sound, cracking sound. No, so even because of less water in your body, your joints will give you the sound of cracking. Okay. Last but not least, you have to manage your weight. If you have excess weight, try to try to use balanced or calorie appropriate diet so that you will reduce your weight and you won't put much weight on your knees. Okay. Yeah, these are the points. If you have any doubts, please raise your hands, master. I'll just post all these mudras in the group so that you'll get it. So nowadays, even 30s people are getting arthritis and all. In the last session, our Rajshekar sir has told about arthritis knee points, acupressure points as well. You can go and check out the videos of that as well. Okay, masters. If you have any doubts, you can come forward and ask the questions. I hope all the masters are good. They have noted down all the things. Yeah, let's start with the meditation, masters. Or if you want to share your any meditation experience as well, you can share it. Yeah, Rajshekar sir, you can unmute. Yeah,
Good evening, madam.
good evening, sir.
Very well explained, madam. You and Reddy Prabhu, madam. Thanks for helping me out about acupressure points of eye problems and what diseases will come for if you have any diabetes or any diseases. If you have taking more drug, it will cause us to eye problem. Mm. For more doses of the drug, it will cause us to eye problem, and we have learned for that, and we have and acupressure points of eye points and learn, madam. Thank you so much, ready problem, madam. Thank you so much, madam, both of you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Rajshekar sir also is doing seva. Yeah, I would like to request all the masters if anybody can come forward and do hosting the classes how I am doing right now because from due to some family issues I have to take a pause for this seva. So whoever are having available with laptops and all, they can come forward and they can do this seva. So this is the biggest seva we can do to the universe without asking any return. So we are doing seva, right? This is the biggest seva. This seva comes along with us. Along how we get punya and all, no? This seva will be stored in our subconscious mind and it will be carried forward to the all all the next janmas, next births and all. So whoever can please come forward. You can message me or Deepika ma'am as sir also has asked in the group. So this should not get paused, right? This should go should not be. I'm not getting the words. It should not be stopped, right? It should be like a yajnam. It should go on. Right? However, you could help it. You can come forward and ask us. We'll help you with all the things. How we have to carry out all those things and all. Yeah. Thank you, masters.